Hey there. Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up SendGrid in Bluehost to manage your email sending. Now, if you're not on a paid Bluehost plan yet, don't worry. I'll cover the steps you take once you're ready. But for now, I'll show you how to get set up with SendGrid first, which you can easily integrate into Bluehost later. Let's jump in. Using SendGrid to manage your email sending in Bluehost helps boost your email deliverability, ensuring your emails make it to the inbox, not the spam folder. Plus, with SendGrid, you can scale your email volume as your website grows. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is to log into your SendGrid dashboard or sign up for a free account. Then head to Settings, look for API Keys, and then click on that. Then click on Create API Key. Then you want to give it a clear name. Let's use Bluehost Email Key. Set the permissions to full access. Click Create and View. Great. So now you have your API key created. Be sure to copy the API key. It's crucial for the next steps. Once you've got your API key, you're halfway there. We'll use this API key later to link SendGrid with Bluehost. Now, once you've upgraded to a Bluehost plan that supports email, you'll log into your Bluehost dashboard that looks something like this. Of course, this is just a picture to give you some insight. From there, head to the Email Office section. This is where you configure your email settings to work with SendGrid. Now, once you're in Email and Office, you'll find an option to configure SMTP settings for email delivery. This is where you'll input the SMTP details provided by SendGrid. SMTP server, username, password, which is the API key you copied from SendGrid. Also, the port number. After entering those details, Bluehost will use SendGrid as the email sending service for your website, ensuring all outgoing emails are processed through SendGrid's highly reliable infrastructure. And there you have it. While we didn't dive into a full Bluehost demo, you now know exactly how to integrate SendGrid once you're ready. So go ahead, set up your SendGrid account, and when you upgrade your Bluehost plan, you'll be all set to send emails like a pro. Thanks for hanging out. If you'd like your free trial of SendGrid, go ahead and click the link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.